Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design this 3D isometric view, and also I'll show the top view, front view, and the right view, and also I'll show the volume of this object. So now I'm going to start. Okay, I'm going to the file, taking a new part. Okay, then I want to select the units MMGS. Then front plane is taken, sketch. Then I'm taking a center rectangle, so sketch and determine the dimension. I'm taking the length of this rectangle is 60 millimeter, and I'm taking the width is 30 millimeters. Then okay, then going to the features and extruded boss is selected, and I'm taking the thickness will be 30 millimeters. Okay, done. Then I'm selecting this one and a sketch, then taking a line, sketching a line from here, going here, 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 downwards, and join to this point. That means click select. Now I'm going to determine the dimension. I'm taking this one is 20 mm, 20, and I'm taking this one is the vertical distance is 10 mm. Okay, done. Then the horizontal distance from here to here is should be 20. It's 20, and the distance from here to here it will be also 20. And the distance from here to here should be going before going here, making 20 mm. Okay, and again taking the dimension, and this distance from here to here it will be 20, so it's default. So okay, now see, this one is 10, this one is 20, and all are 20, 20, 20, 20. So okay, then going to the features, extrude boss selected. Now the thickness will be 10 mm. Okay, done. So the object is done. Now I want to show the volume of this object. I am going to the evaluate, and mass properties is selected. Double click here and see the density is 0 because I did not select any materials, and the mass is 63 grams. Volume is uh, 63,000 cubic millimeters. I think got it everybody. Now I'm going here, selecting this one, then I'm going here, and this one is the top plane. See the top plane, and this one is what, left side, and this one is the front side is here, and this one is the right side is here, and this one is the bottom side. See, so I'm going here, and isometric view is selecting. This one is the isometric view. See, then going here and selecting this, and I'm selecting this copper. I think everybody got it how to draw these objects and also show the top view, front view, side view, and also analyze the mask properties. So again see this one. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos.